Hey, what's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on the channel. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install OBS Studio on Windows 11. So, in order to do this, you can go to the link in the description below, or you can go to your browser, then type in OBS Studio. I usually want to click the first link, but if an advertisement pops up here, usually that's not the link you want, so always click the second link. Just make sure it says obsproject.com, or click the link in the description below. But all you gotta do is open that up. Then you can go to Windows, macOS, or Linux. We are running Windows 11. If for whatever reason you are trying to install OBS Studio on an older version of Windows, or an older architecture, such as 32-bit, and you aren't sure which architecture you have, all you have to do is go down here to the Windows icon, the start menu, right click on it, go ahead and click System. This will pop up here, and then you can see right here, 64-bit operating system, 64-bit base processor. That's all you need to know. If you do need to install an older version for whatever reason, all you have to do is go over here to Download. You can see these options here. You can also just click these if you would like, but all you have to do is go down to Previous Releases. It's going to bring you to a page here, which will bring you to their GitHub, and then you can just scroll down and keep finding the version that you need. You may have to scroll for a bit depending on the version that you actually need. I don't know if it's going to tell you which version of Windows it supports, but you can always Google that, and I'm sure there's people out there who have made videos on how to install it on an older version. Alrighty, so we are going to be installing it for Windows 11, so all we have to do is click the Windows button here. If you actually hover over it, it says supports Windows 10 and Windows 11, and then if you hover over macOS, it supports macOS 12.0 or newer. You also got Linux, which doesn't say it supports anything, it's just there. Once your download is complete, it is going to open this page and install it, and then it'll pop up here in the right-hand corner. All you have to do is double click it. Your UAC is going to pop up. All you have to do is click yes, click next, click next, click install. You can actually change the install path, but I would leave it normal unless you don't have any space on your C drive. And if you are installing it somewhere, make sure to install it somewhere on an SSD because it's going to run significantly slower on a hard drive. If you guys are curious, you can also click show details and it'll show you what it's doing. Once it's done, you can go ahead and click finish. You can also check this box, which is view release notes. Go ahead and click finish. We're going to go ahead and close our browser, and it's going to open up the release notes in a completely different browser for some reason, but that's okay. As you can see here, it's just showing up the release notes, gives you some of the new features that it has, the hotfix changes, as well as some of the other changes. So you guys can check this out if you would like. Looks like we need to update our version for some reason. I'm going to go ahead and just click remind me later. And I'm going to click cancel. Now this is not what my OBS looks like. I actually kind of like this layout, so I might set that up for myself, but this is OBS Studio. Anyway, guys, that is how you install OBS Studio in 2026 on Windows 11. If there's any other video ideas you guys have, please let me know in the comments below. If you guys have any questions, comments, or you're having issues, also let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you liked it, drop a like. If you guys do not like it, please drop a dislike. Subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't done so already. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.